I chose UCAM because I was very impressed by the quality of education presented, and also because I saw a big focus on innovation and on the community and culture.
I love the fact that we have so many opportunities to travel. For example, we went to Fitur and HIP in Madrid, all covered by the university.
Quality of teaching staff is just amazing. I can tell that my professors are very knowledgeable. They've been either working in the field for the past few years or they're veterans of the field, so they really have a lot of insights and a lot of knowledge to transmit to us.
I was able to become a part of the culture myself while living in the community and getting to know the people around me.
What I enjoy the most about studying here is just the balance that I was able to find between work, studying, and just leisure time. I was able to both focus on my studies while discovering the city and meeting new people.
If somebody wants to come to UCAM, I would say, yeah, definitely come. It's a great city. It's a wonderful experience, really. So yeah, they should come.
I think in our master's program, what we've learned so far is that we work a lot on our personal skills, especially during teamwork activities, which exposes us not only to communicating with others and learning about their opinions, but also developing ourselves and our soft skills, which are needed in teamwork, but also in the professional life.
Well, of course, we focus this program in hospitality management. We try to push the student to go further than the reception, than the restaurants, the kitchen. So our main goal is to develop this student to become the next generation of general managers of the main hotels companies.